For a long period of time, 32 years, I've been a professor at UW-M, and it was abundantly apparent that we needed to increase student success.
Higher education has an inherent conservatism, and the way that education has been delivered today, you have the expert, the sage, who is lecturing to students, transmitting knowledge. To me, UPACE is a natural evolution. UPACE is an innovative instructional design.
It's student-centered, and it increases students' perception of control over learning. As students study concepts, they're doing this in a self-paced online environment.
It's mastery-based, which means that students have to demonstrate mastery at the 90% level before they can advance. Unlike traditional instruction, where you might have a midterm, a paper, and a final, UPACE has frequent early contact with students.
I took a Psychology 101 at UW-M, and it's a UPACE course. Most of my classes are big room classes, and we're just sitting there and listening to the instructor. Sometimes you have questions, but then you're shy to ask because it's just very big class, and the difference between that and the UPACE course is that it gives away a lot of the pressure. I get to have this freedom of when to take the quiz and do the assignments, but then I also get to email my TA just to see how am I doing in the class, and it's just amazing.
University of Wisconsin at Milwaukee actually did a really neat randomized controlled trial, and they're scaling it up with IES money now, where they did exactly what you described, which is, this is brick and mortar, used an LMS system to feed data to faculty member to point out which students looked like they were getting in trouble. And they even suggested emails that included both motivational characteristics as well as substantive characteristics. And they found substantial improvements in the students' performance on that course, especially students who came in less well prepared. So this is an example of a technology, human data system that actually empirically, objectively works better than the original system.
UPACE instruction can be implemented in virtually any course. We've developed some free things that will really help instructors, and all of these can be downloaded on UW-M's UPACE website.